tips to stop and reduce hair fall naturally. Hair is considered as one of the most vital components that enhance one's beauty. Nature gives us this beautiful asset. Our duty is to take proper care as hair needs extra care. Normally, an adult loses 50 to 100 hairs every which becomes 250 at the time of washing. But if it exceeds the limit, it is called hair fall problem, which is medically termed alopecia. These top 10 tips can be effective to stop and reduce the hair fall naturally. Oil massage. Oil massage is very important to keep the blood circulation to the scalp intact. So massage the scalp with warm coconut oil before taking bath. Coconut oil massage provides proper nourishment to scalp that will be helpful in preventing hair fall. Walnut. Walnut is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids which contains biotin fights against hair fall and vitamin E protects the hair cells from DNA damage. So try to consume walnuts every day for reducing hair fall. Eggs. Eggs are protein-rich foods that contains adequate amount of iron along with sulfur, selenium and zinc. Among these compounds, iron supplies sufficient oxygen to the hair follicles and protects women from anemia, which is a vital cause of hair fall. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has time-honored value for providing proper nourishment to the scalp, which is essential for protecting hair fall. Just apply the gel directly to the scalp in raw form. Sometimes hair fall is due to dryness of scalp. Aloe vera gel moisturizes the scalp and prevents hair fall. Indian gooseberry. Indian gooseberry, better known as amla, is a superb source of vitamin C and antioxidants. Put some dried amla into a cup of coconut oil. Boil it to make the oil black. After cooling, apply the oil mixture on the scalp and massage well. Leave it on for half an hour and then wash off with mild shampoo. It will show an amazing result. Curd. Fat-free curd contains hair-friendly protein and vitamin B5. This vitamin B5 is pantothenic acid used in most hair care products as a prime ingredient. So besides consuming curd can also be applied on the scalp to get better result. Honey. Its antioxidant and humectant properties help to get rid of hair fall. The application of honey keeps the scalp conditioned all the times, so there is no scope for hair fall from dryness. Coconut milk. It nourishes the hair tissues and prevents hair loss effectively. Apply it all over the scalp and wait for some time and then wash it off. Black tea. A decoction made from black tea mixed with lemon juice is very effective in keeping the hair healthy and preventing hair fall. Use regularly half an hour before bath for good results. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.